To get started with Module or Unit 1, it would be a good idea to watch the MindTap video. The download student files does not have to be done now. There are only a few assignments that you might use those with, so you can ignore that for now. You can also always download those from the publisher's website. So click on Module 1. Be sure you read the information to get an idea of what you'll be learning in this chapter, what you should be doing. Read the module using your ebook, which you'll do down here, and your assessment activities. So start with Word Module 1. When you click on this link, it will open up a new window. If you have not registered your code, at that point it will ask you to register your code. Mine is already registered, so it goes directly to where I need to go. And if you have any types of windows open that give you messages, you can always close those. And you can expand this by clicking the expand button so that you can read the chapter. It's a good idea to start with reading the chapter. Once you've finished, you can close that window. The next assignment is your SAM training. So you would click on it. You can also watch the videos, or you can use the videos and go back and watch them if you have trouble with anything. But it's not a bad idea to watch them up front. So this opens directly to your training. Notice it opened a new window and I expanded my window so it was a little bigger for me. And at this point, I would just follow the screen, read the information. When it says observe, practice, and apply, you have 3 levels in the training. Everyone should make 100 in the training. So observe means that you can watch the video within there of how it's done. You can practice, which means that they'll show you the video and then you can practice it, or you can go to directly to apply. You have to apply to go to the next question, but apply if you already have some word experience, especially in this first module, you can go directly to apply if you think that you know how to do it. Now keep in mind that you may have learned it one way, which is not the most efficient way, and not the way that Microsoft intended. It will allow you to do it a number of different ways, but if you weren't doing it correctly, you're going to have to unlearn that because it will not count that as right. Click Start. It will take a minute depending on the speed of your internet. Shouldn't take too long though. Okay, and this is the intro, so it gives you a little information about what you're doing, and the ribbon discusses this part of the ribbon that's in this particular task, and then it also talks about Office for Mac. One of the reasons I wanted to go to 2016 this semester is because most of the students in a poll last semester were already using 2016 and adapting it to 2013. And the other thing was the Mac, for many of you that may be using it, the new Office for Mac for 2016 is the closest it's ever been to Microsoft. So that should make it a little bit easier. And then once you've looked at the intro, you can go to the observe level, like I said, and watch a video of how it's going to be done. You can go to practice and practice it, or you can go to apply. And you can do apply as many times as you want in this one. So it wants me to create a new blank document, so I go up to File and New and Blank Document. And it says you've completed this task, and it takes me to the next one. And again, starts with intro, a good idea to read this. You can observe. If you're a brand new Word user, then you may want to observe and practice before you apply. That's up to you, but you should be able to make 100 on this training because you get to practice it and observe and apply it as many times as you want to get it right. Okay, I'm going to close all that. And then the next thing is your exam, which is over what you learned in the training. And in this one, you get to try each task 3 times, but you only submit it 1 time. So you can try each task over, but it's only submitted 1 time. And then the third thing you'll do here is the project. This is one where you will do a document that they give you the instructions for. So if I clicked in here, and when I click start, you have 3 times to submit it. Please take advantage of those 3 times because it will tell you at the end of the first time exactly what you did wrong. If you don't find where to find that, let me know. And then you can try it again another 2 times. So download the instructions. Here's your start file that you have to use. So follow instructions on how they want it saved. It has to be exact for security purposes. And then they will also have you download any files that they want you to use. Okay, let me know if you have any other questions. End of this video.